Welcome to Chair and Co-Chair, my colleague, State Ministers, esteemed Water Resource Ministers from various states, senior officials. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Ministry of Jal Shakti for organizing this crucial conference and bringing together the collective wisdom of leaders, policymakers, and experts in water resource management. It is an honor to stand before you today as we discuss something more valuable than gold, more essential than oil, and more powerful than any weapon, water. Thomas Fuller once said, "We never know the worth of water till the well is dry." These words remain true more than ever in today's rapidly changing climate, where water scarcity and mismanagement threaten not just livelihoods but the very fabric of our society. Water is not just a resource. It is the foundation of human survival, the pulse of progress, and the lifeline of civilization. We must not forget the access to clean and safe drinking water is a fundamental and constitutional right and essential for public health. Now let's go through India's water journey. India's journey towards improving water security has been a long and evolving one. Since the 1950s, the then government have undertaken key policy reforms, from the National Water Supply and Sanitation Program in 1954 to the Rajiv Gandhi National Drinking Water Mission in 1990s. Recently, initiatives like the National Rural Drinking Water Program and the Jal Jeevan Mission have sought to provide functional household tap connections across the country. Telangana, my home state, we have witnessed both scarcity and abundance. The prolonged droughts, devastating floods, yet through bold initiatives like Mission Bhagiratha and defluoride projects and PWS, we have transformed our water story, ensuring 100 liters per day of clean drinking water to every household. By 2047, when India celebrates 100 years of independence, let it not be a time where we measure success merely in the GDP growth. Instead, let us define our progress by the number of rivers, lakes we have revived, villages we have made drought-proof, and the women who no longer walk miles for a pot of water. In the words of Dr. Rajendra Singh, a waterman of India, "Jal hai to kal hai, agar jal bachayega to jeevan bachega." If there is a water